Let's get over to some trending tickers that we've got for you this morning, starting with Bank of America. Warren Buffett's selling spree of Bank of America continues with an unloading of an additional 24.7 million shares, totaling $982 million. The sale disclosed in a filing late Tuesday with the SEC. Now, what's interesting is that Berkshire still does have a substantial stake in Bank of America with nearly over 900 million shares. So not a small amount of holdings, but still selling off that $982 million of Bank of America shares here is obviously going to be a potentially bearish signal for Bank of America. And this comes as Berkshire, by the way, has consistently been selling off some of its Bank of America shares over the last quarter here. And we have seen Berkshire really increasing some of its defensive plays, getting out even Apple stock over the past quarter here, sort of taking a risk off approach to a quarter that has seen a lot of volatility. We saw the market rout happening in early August. We've had continued geopolitical tensions. We've got that election coming up in November. And you've seen Berkshire and Warren Buffett, of course, taking a little bit of a defensive approach to a year with a lot of big question marks, Brad.
Yeah, trimming from Berkshire Hathaway and its position in Bank of America. I mean, and this is a big deal, especially considering for Bank of America. I mean, it's a company that we're looking at that has about 64% institutional ownership. So anytime one of the largest holders of the outstanding shares is deciding, okay, maybe we want to sit on a little bit more cash right now. Maybe we want to have a little bit more dry powder to be able to deploy elsewhere, especially if you do see some significant dips and very ripe opportunities for larger, garpier and growth areas in the market starts to make themselves known, then you want to be able to activate that quickly. And so I think that's what we're starting to see a little bit more of, especially in some of the larger or more outsized stakes that have seen their run up in financials and now trying to figure out where do we take profits and deploy that elsewhere once these dip buying opportunities start to emerge in critical mass.
Absolutely. It's such a great point, Brad, and also points to kind of the so what factor for Berkshire and Bank of America in particular. This is Warren Buffett. This is the king of investment strategies. If he is taking a risk off approach to investments, what does that tell us about where the market might be heading? What does he know that the rest of the investment community may not be sussing out? So that is why we love to look at Berkshire's holdings. It's clearly working for them as they hit that $1 trillion market cap earlier today.